Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a unique origami styles artwork using the DreamFace app. It's super easy, free to start, and only take a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First just open your DreamFace app, and then if you don't already have DreamFace, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once installed, just open the app and log in your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace also provides free weekly credits, so you can experiment without spending a cent. Now that we're inside the apps like this, you will the home page and then just tap on AI filter. This is where all the creative styles are located, from anime to 3D effects and many more. But today we're focused on origami looks. Next, inside this filter, just go to the super filter category. This one. And then just look for origami filter. This one, just tap on it. This effect will fold your photo into a beautiful origami like designs with sharp lines or paper texture. Next, just select the photo that you want to transform. And after that, just hit animate. And okay, like this. DreamFace just turn your photo into origami art like this. And honestly, it looks so incredible. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.